Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App, step by step. Whether you need it for tracking, verification, or just to share with someone, I'll make it super easy for you. Let's get started. First, open Cash App on your phone. At the bottom, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the clock icon and tap on it. This will take you to the activity page, where you'll see a list of all your past transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and Bitcoin purchases. Now, if you've recently sent Bitcoin, your transaction should be right at the top. But if it's an older one, you might need to scroll down until you find it. Keep an eye out for transactions labeled withdrawals, because anytime you send Bitcoin out of Cash App, it's categorized under withdrawals. Once you find the right transaction, tap on it to open up the details. Here, you'll see an option labeled Web Receipt. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to a new page with all the details of your Bitcoin transaction. Now this is where you'll find your Bitcoin transaction ID. Look for a section labeled Transaction. You'll see a long string of letters and numbers in blue. That's your unique Bitcoin transaction hash ID. If you need to copy it, just tap on the small white copy icon next to it. A quick notification will pop up saying Copied, which means it's now saved to your clipboard, and you can paste it wherever you need. And that's it. You've successfully found and copied your Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App. Now you can use it to verify your transaction, track it on the blockchain, or share it if needed. By the way, if you're looking for an easier way to buy and sell Bitcoin, try Coinbase. It's beginner-friendly, secure, and super simple to use. You can sign up for free using the link in the description.